Next up, we have this beautiful RX, another one. It's the extended model. 400 miles on it. It's got something here. Something happened. Something fell on it. So we're gonna refinish the whole hood. Damage isn't that bad, but we gotta match the gloss level, and we're gonna blend it. I'm gonna try to stay in this area. I'm gonna work off the edge here, stay in this area for our color, and see if we can blend it, or if we'll just take our color all the way to the other edge. I like to break it off at the edge, so we'll see what we're gonna do. All primered up. We're good to go. Alright, we're ready to base. I'm gonna put base over here. I'm not sure about how far I'm gonna take it, but we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna use clear base in this area. If I can blend it in this area, I'll keep it. If not, I'll take it all the way over to the other body line. So we'll bring it back.
So basically what you'll be seeing here is I put down a clear base to kind of seal off the original finish. And I went ahead and I put 2 coats of base down, and then I put an orientation, which is a half coat. I saw it was a little bit mottled, so then I mixed 1-to-1 with the clear base, and I tried to straighten out those metallics as much as I could to get it pretty even. So that's essentially what you're seeing here in the base stage.
So important.
Keeping it very consistent with a very, very, very close overlap.
That little unevenness will be fine when I clear it. Still flashing off. Check it out. Once you clear it out, see how it turned out. Alright, here's the finished product. It looks super, super good. I get great results because it is night and the temperature drops. So, remember that nothing is perfect. Nothing in this world is perfect. You got the dirt speck right there, and you've got a couple scattered in here. But that's what sandpaper's for. That's what 2, 3, and 5,000 grit sandpaper is for. To smooth this out, give it a buff, and make it look great. What you want to focus though on is the color, because that cannot be corrected after paint. Hope you enjoy this one. Everyone be safe. I'm gonna go ahead with the buffing process now. When I cut out my plastic, I left a little bit of a perimeter steel taped to the underside of the hood, so we're gonna get no compound anywhere. It's very important to do this if you want a clean job. You don't want compound everywhere. So we're gonna nib out the big ones, the big chunks, and then go over the whole hood where it needs it.
And so basically what I'm doing is I'm taking 1000 on a 3-inch sander, and I'm just knocking down those big chunks, because I don't want to put 1000 grit scratches in anything else but those chunks. And if you don't level them out well enough, they will look like a little booger once they're sanded and polished. So I took it through 1000, 1500, 2000, 3000, and then 5000. You'll see the results.
This is after 1000 in different spots, 1500, 3000, and 5000. It's like a mirror almost. So this is how you minimize buffing, swirling, sand scratches. It already looks like it's been buffed, and it hasn't even been cut. Here it is, all ready for pickup. We got a nice gloss level factory peel, and it matches very, very nice.